which will kind of tell you what the is. But what happened is, when I was pregnant and soon after our first son Zen was born, I realized that I was loving being a hands-on mom. I wanted to be with them as much as I could, but at the same time, slowly I wanted to work. And being a contemporary urban Indian multitasking mom, or trying to be, I just didn't know what to do, because I used to act, and quite honestly, I didn't have many film roles and stuff after I had my baby. So I thought, I've seen cooking shows, I've seen carpentry shows, but I've never seen an honest, maybe humorous, maybe helpful show about cleaning a baby's potty or giving them a bath or taking them on a plane. So I thought, why not do a show about that? And I really feel no one gets more advice than a pregnant woman and a new mom. So I thought, I'm not an expert, I'm learning, I'm a regular mom just like anyone else. And I think if we share our ideas and thoughts, maybe we can help each other. You can really unleash the kid in you, because we all have that in us. We have celebrity chats in the show. As we all know, celebrity chats always work with channel. So we've been very lucky to have a lot of big celebrities come and do bites and chats. One of those is Rahul Bose. You might wonder, is he a new mom or a new dad? Somebody asked me, has Rahul had a child, and none of us know. But no, he's actually, as I said, the show is for everyone. And not only, of course, has he been a kid, but he has an amazing foundation, an NGO for kids. And another thing we're trying to do with this season is actually raise awareness for causes for kids.
Well, this must count as one of the most bizarre things that I've been asked to do, because single guy who swore never to get married and who up till now doesn't know whether he has children or not, and doesn't know the PAR or parenting, what's he doing here? She just turned it into a huge asset, and that's the real beautiful thing about Tara. In a city that is, and a society that is so congested with ideas, she found an idea that nobody had thought of before, which is just amazing. And to find that idea, to put your flag in that space, you need someone like Rupa. Otherwise, you're not going to happen. It's not going to happen. He's incredible. He's a gentle, compassionate, wonderful father, and he's a hardworking, imaginative, creative producer of Tara show, along with all the other stuff he does. So I think there's so much of compassion and love that the two have and share for each other and their children, and it shows on the show. So what's not to love about a show like this? The only thing I'd like to say is that the reason I don't get pregnant is because even I'm scared that my career will sort of stop. And now that Tara started this, I just refuse to have the chance to get pregnant. But maybe I will. Maybe I'll get pregnant. People can film the first 46-year-old man who's pregnant. But really, thank you, and this wonderful space to actually have a launch like this with Johnson's Baby, and I think the Mahindras also have the Mom and Me stores, that they have something to do with this also. It's extraordinary that a show like this suddenly attracts sponsorship.
मैं तो एक माँ हूँ, और आप लोग भी माँ है या पिताजी है या ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स है या हम सब तो बच्चे भी थे, तो ये शो सभी के लिए है। और मैंने एक चीज़ देखा है कि बच्चे जो है सबके एक कॉमन इमोशन होता है, वो है अपने बच्चों से प्यार। और ये शो में हम दिखाते हैं कि बच्चे के साथ क्या क्या कर सकते हैं, देश विदेश ट्रैवल कर सकते हैं, उनको कैसे पॉटीज़ कैसे साफ कर सकते हैं, कैसे नहला सकते हैं। और हमारा प्रेजेंटिंग स्पॉन्सर्स है जॉनसन्स बेबी, जो एक बहुत बढ़िया ब्रांड है, और हमारा जो फिट है उनके साथ वो बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है। तो थैंक यू, प्लीज़ वॉच द शो।